Welcome to Real Time Stock Tips. Today, we bring to you our detailed analysis on another gem stock in defense sector which is must for your portfolio for massive gains. This multi-bagger stock is Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited. Before we begin with our analysis, do show your support by subscribing to our newly launched channel. It is your support that keeps us motivated to work hard and keep bringing to you much more stocks to assist your portfolio gains. All stocks recommended is carefully selected with a thorough analysis to ensure your maximum returns. As our subscribers and viewers have already observed, more than 90% of our previously recommended stocks have already crossed their stage target marks, bringing in gains in very limited period of time. We continue to maintain buy call to all our customers on our previous recommendations. All stocks recommended are also part of our portfolio along with our clients. For those who are new to our channel, we have provided links to all our previous recommendations below for you to watch, analyze, and invest. Real-Time Stock Tips is a platform that helps you choose from expert-created, ready-made group of stocks as per your investment needs. While you are busy with your job or running your business, our recommended stocks are constantly monitored by us. Now let's get on to this week's stock analysis. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited (GRSE) is one of India's leading shipyards located in Kolkata, West Bengal. It builds and repairs commercial and naval vessels. Presently, GRSE has also started building export ships in a mission to expand its business. Founded in 1884 as a small privately owned company on the eastern bank of the Hooghly River, it was renamed as Garden Reach Workshop in 1916. The company was nationalized by the Government of India in 1960. It was awarded the Mini Ratna status, with accompanying financial and operational autonomy in September 2006. It is the first Indian shipyard to build more than 100 warships. GRSE has shipbuilding facilities in Kolkata and Ranchi. It has a large CAD center for ship modeling and design. There are 4 workshops for plate preparation and steel fabrication. GRSE has a dry dock for ships up to 26,000 tons deadweight. Vessels built. Commercial vessels. Among commercial and scientific ships, GRSE builds oceanographic and hydrographic research vessels, marine acoustic research ships, non-propelled dredgers, grab hopper dredgers, trailing suction hopper dredgers, tugboats, and bulk carriers. Naval vessels. GRSE has designed and built a number of warships and patrol vessels for the Indian Navy and the Coast Guard. Vessels built at GRSE include guided missile frigates, corvettes, fleet tankers, fast patrol vessels, amphibious warfare vessels, and hovercraft. News updates. GRSE delivers the 4th anti-submarine warfare corvette Yard 3020, which is the 104th warship built, delivered on 18th February 2020. GRSE also receives Government's Now PSU Award 2019. Order books. Underlining the monopoly that the Defense Ministry's 4 shipyards enjoy, GRSE says it has orders in hand for 22 more warships worth over Rs 27,500 crore. At the current turnover level of Rs 1,386 crore for 2018-19, GRSE's order book is full for the next 20 years. GRSE shareholding pattern. 74.5% promoter, which is the Government of India, 12.9% mutual funds, 4% other institutions, and only 7.7% public. Our analysis. NSE closing price as on 1st January 2021 is Rs 201.85. Our call. This is a gem stock for the year 2021-22. Best entry level is Rs 185 to Rs 202. We strongly recommend buy call. This stock will bring massive returns. No need to keep stop loss on this stock. Target price is Rs 245, Rs 280, Rs 330 and Rs 380 plus plus plus. Once the stock breaches Rs 245, with good volume we can see quick upward movement to Rs 280. Hope the above information will help you with your stock watch. We will be back with our next recommendation coming Sunday, so don't miss it. Until then, happy hunting!